With warm weather extending well past the summer this year, people across the U.S. have continued to be concerned about West Nile infections. Dallas has been one of the hardest hit areas throughout the country, so while we were here, Dr. Shears had the opportunity to visit a rare mosquito testing lab to get some answers from the experts. This is about what you need to know to protect yourself.
I know down here you guys are having a big problem with West Nile virus.
Yes, we only had 0 cases in 2010, 2 cases in 2011, and now we're at 371 cases and 17 deaths so far in this mosquito season.
What are you guys doing about that?
Mosquito surveillance. If we discover a positive mosquito pool, then we have to take appropriate action by treating that particular area to knock down the mosquito population.
So you're aerial spraying from the trucks to try to knock down all those excess mosquitoes.
Yes, and as a result of that, we've seen a significant decline in positive mosquito with West Nile virus.
Oh, that's really good. Okay, Scott, so this looks like a trap.
The female mosquito, she's attracted to the stinky water that we put in there.
So this black tube is basically, that fan inside there is pulling the mosquitoes off the water into this trap, and then you can take them back to the lab.
That's exactly right.
All right, well, let's go to the lab.
Let's go. What we're doing here is sorting and IDing. After we've separated the males to the females, we begin to identify and speciate each species and put them in each one of these little vials. It's these vials that get taken to our lab where we'll do a PCR test to detect whether there's West Nile.
Dr. Perkins, even if I'm bit by a mosquito with West Nile, what are the chances that I'm going to end up in the hospital?
Less than 1%, more like 0.07%
So
chance of minimal.
You know, a lot of people are running around panicking because of this. There really is no reason to panic. You just want to be careful. Do I need to be nervous? Am I going to get bit by a mosquito?
We're taking the appropriate action as the community, but individually, we have to take individual accountability by doing the 4 Ds.
The 4 Ds of West Nile protection. Dress appropriately, use DEET, be careful during dusk to dawn,
Yes.
and then drain all those water pools and standing water. Okay.
Correct.
Both of you, thank you very much for what you guys are doing to help the Dallas area with the West Nile virus.